Welcome to Acer Showroom. Today, we dive into the legendary world of off-roading with the all-new Maruti Suzuki Jimny. A name synonymous with ruggedness and adventure, the Jimny has returned with a modern twist while preserving its iconic DNA. This compact SUV promises a thrilling experience on and off the road, catering to enthusiasts who crave the spirit of exploration. Design a tribute to the classic. The Maruti Suzuki Jimny embodies a classic boxy design with a modern flair. Its tall stance, clamshell bonnet, and round headlamps evoke nostalgia, paying homage to the original Jimny. The bold front grille, flared wheel arches, and sturdy bumpers emphasize its rugged nature. Despite its compact size, the Jimny's squared-off design provides ample road presence, making it instantly recognizable. Interior rugged yet comfortable. Step inside the Maruti Suzuki Jimny, and you'll find a blend of practicality and comfort. The interior is designed to be functional, with durable materials that can withstand the elements. The high seating position offers excellent visibility, perfect for tackling tough terrains. Despite its rugged design, the Jimny provides modern amenities like a touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate control, and steering-mounted controls. Performance built for adventure. The heart of the Maruti Suzuki Jimny is a 1.5-litre K15B petrol engine that delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Generating 103 brake horsepower and 134 Nm of torque, the Jimny is built for both city drives and challenging off-road trails. The 4x4 system, combined with low-range transfer gear, enables it to conquer steep slopes, rocky paths, and muddy trails with ease. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or exploring the wilderness, the Jimny promises a confident drive. Off-road capabilities unstoppable in all terrains. The Maruti Suzuki Jimny is a true off-roader. With a ladder frame chassis, solid axle suspension, and an impressive ground clearance of 210 mm, the Jimny can tackle rough terrains effortlessly. The All-Grip Pro 4x4 system ensures maximum traction and control, while the short overhangs and compact dimensions make it nimble in tight spots. It's a vehicle designed for those who love to venture off the beaten path. Safety features confidence on and off the road. Safety is a priority in the Maruti Suzuki Jimny. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold control, hill descent control, and electronic stability control. The high-strength body frame ensures durability and passenger protection in challenging conditions. Whether on or off the road, the Jimny keeps you safe. Pricing and variants. The Maruti Suzuki Jimny is available in multiple variants, catering to different needs and preferences. With competitive pricing, the Jimny offers excellent value for money. It's a versatile SUV that combines off-road prowess with everyday usability. The Maruti Suzuki Jimny is more than just an SUV, it's